Wacom. Have you ever heard? And here it is. In this video, I'm going to unbox this creator tool and let me tell you where and how it can be used. I'm going to show you the basic Wacom tablet and its stylus. Let's do this. It's a creative pen tablet. Of course, a digital tablet. We had to connect laptop and a tablet with a USB cable. It comes with a pen which is battery free and there is no need to charge it. It works with both Windows and Mac OS. Coming to the pricing, it cost me around 3,640 rupees. Through Amazon, it delivered in a day. And now, first things first. I want to learn digital art, but what's the tool I should have to make an art in a computer screen? I searched about these few digital tablets and that convinced me to buy this one. And this is completely for beginners. It comes in two different colors, black and red. Let's open this. A few instructions here. And this is the tablet. Let's do this first. It comes with USB port Type A cable and extra nibs for stylus to change it when overused. And a guide how to install and make it work in your PC. We can follow these steps to make it work. And here is a bridge for digital art. It's stylus. It comes with two buttons. The tablet size is small with 6 into 3.5 inch and it's easy to handle. Not that weight though. It weighs around 250 grams. Actually, I didn't choose any particular color and I got red. The grip of the stylus is familiar to our pens and pencils. Moreover, it doesn't need any batteries. It's lightweight and comfortable to sketch and paint. It is said that it is made with electromagnetic resonance technology. That means it consists of a layer of sensors in it that can detect electromagnetic waves. I think this is how it works. Maybe that's the reason why there is no need to charge it. And here is a complete Wacom and its accessories. It has USB A and B pins. It comes with three extra nibs. We can change it when overuse other nib. And this is used to remove nib from the stylus. Let me tell you again. This is a complete beginner Wacom model which can be used to draw basic sketch or else used to teach online. This is one of such ways how we had online classes during this pandemic. In next video, let me show you how to install Wacom drivers to make this tablet work in MacBook Air. Thank you for watching.